Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial for you on how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the HTTP Injector app. If you want to explore more hidden VPN tricks and tips, be sure to check out our blog in the description. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps support the channel and keeps us creating helpful content like this. Alright, let's dive into today's tutorial. First, open up your web browser and head to the search bar. Type in UDP Custom and press Enter. In the search results, find the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll notice a menu button, typically located in the top corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. This will open a list of options. From that list, find and select V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This option is specifically for creating V2Ray servers that support slow DNS, which is essential for a stable and secure connection. After clicking, you'll be taken to the server location selection page. Here you can choose your preferred server location. Once you've made your choice, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. All you need to do is enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will appear. HTTP Injector only allows one server account at a time. In this tutorial, we're focusing on the V2Ray VMess server settings, so make sure to copy the V2Ray VMess server details from the website for later use. Now that we have the V2Ray VMess server details, let's move on to setting up the HTTP Injector app. Head over to the Play Store on your device, and in the search bar, type HTTP Injector. Once you find the app, click on it, and then tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, click Open to launch the app, and you'll be brought to the home page of HTTP Injector. Below the Start button, you'll see a small arrow. Click on it to open the Settings page. Look for the TLS type option, and from the drop-down menu, choose V2Ray/X-Ray. After selecting this, tick the circle next to it and click Save. Now, click on the Settings icon located at the top of the screen. From the menu, select V2Ray X-Ray once again to open its configuration page. In the top corner, you'll see a small icon with a plus sign. Click on that and a small window will appear. Here you'll find a Paste button. Tap it and paste the V2Ray VMess server details that we copied earlier from the website. Once you've pasted the data, all the necessary settings will be automatically added. Now, go back to the home screen. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to connect. Simply press the Start button on the home screen of HTTP Injector, and within moments, you'll be connected to your secure web connection through the V2Ray VMess server. And there you have it, folks. That's how you create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the HTTP Injector app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.